Xilinx's SP701 Evaluation Kit is optimized for sensor fusion applications in industrial networking, embedded vision, automotive designs, and other edge applications. The kit is based on the Spartan 7 XC7S100 FPGA with 102,000 logic cells and 400 available I/O pins. It has pre-configured microblaze application processor, real-time processors, and MCU example designs. I/O expansion includes 6 Pmod connectors and an FMC LPC interface. Video interfaces include MIPI CSI, DSI, and HDMI, and the board also offers 2 Ethernet connectors. The evaluation kit adds memory including 4 GB of DDR3L DRAM, 1 GB of quad-SPI flash, and 32 kilobits of I2C EEPROM. The kit includes a Xilinx Vivado Design Suite license and various IP licenses, and is also supported by the Xilinx SDK and PetaLinux tools.